Balitada na si Ma'am Hazel. Hi everyone! This is my first vlog. Wow. Actually, this is not my first vlog, but this will be my first proper vlog. Anyways, this week, maraming ganap. Wow! Hindi naman maraming ganap, pero may gagawin kami. Kasi nga, ayun, last week meron kaming ginawang experiment, which is nag-create kami ng sunblock for like minor. My God.
Ayawan mo, parang minit.
Giling-giling, giling-giling, giling na matunaw ang taba.
Pero ano, masisisip ko ba ang sarili ko na mag-effort sa minor subject? Ako na to. Ako na to kahit na babagsakin ang aking major. Tapos ang minor ko, super go. Over naman sa pagbawi sa minor, pero sa major hindi mabawi ba? Ganun talaga ang buhay. Hi! It's Thursday now. Okay. Pinakaayaw ko talaga is kung kailan paalis ka na, tsaka ka abutan ng gerbs na iyan. Pero alam mo, mas nakakabuisit, abutan ka ng gerbs sa daan. Ang ating agenda for today ay nag-practice tayo because we have hosting. Mag-host pala tayo, mag-MC pala tayo sa Saturday. Hindi ko naman alam na clearance lang, na hindi lang pala clearance ang gagawin ko. Akala ko magtatak-tatak lang. Mag-MC din pala ako ng grad ball ng senior high school. Tapos, ano pa bang agenda natin ngayon? Ayun, magpa-practice kami ng presentation for tomorrow. Wow! Because we have science, yun nga, yung ginawa namin na sunscreen, i-present namin for tomorrow. Update, parang hindi lang siya germs. I think, diarrhea na yan siya. Kaya ngayon, papunta ako sa butika para bumili ng dietams.
Meanwhile,
Yung kanina, nagtatay lang ako kanina, tapos ngayon, nagkakape na ako. Parang walang diarrhea. Ililibre daw kami ni Gracia ng ice con yelo. Uy, Mare! Parang nalugi ka naman. Basta. Electric pan muna. Yun, muna iinitan kayo. Hi, sir. Ay! Grabe! Mers! Yum, yum, yum. Pagkatapos mag-mais con yelo, ito naman, ang aking sinusop-sop. We have arrived in our destination. Eril. At nag-picture pa ang mga dalaga.
Hindi, ito lang matakatak.
Tapos na ang isang subject. One down.
meanwhile,
Okay. Extracurricular activities naman. I am so done. Alam mo talagang halos dito ka na matutulog sa school kapag ayan, nandyan ang account mo sa PC. And so yun, mag-upload tayo ng posting because of ngayon na ang final clearance signing daw. Hello, Mel. How may I help you, Mel? Tutulog na sana ako at hindi ako makatulog. Hindi mapakali yung utak ko hanggat hindi ko siya ginagawa. Like, ang motto ko na talaga ngayon, ang mantra ko na talaga ngayong year is never ako magpupuyat for something like sa project. Pero hindi ko magawa. What am I doing?
The next day.
We conducted this study not just because it is our subject, mathematics, science, and technology, but also because we have given a chance to prove to the people, and most importantly, Generation Z, who loves using sunscreen that doesn't need a white cast. To prove that sunscreen that does leave a white cast is much better than those that doesn't leave a white cast. Tapos na ang experiment na iyan. Na-present na namin, guys.
Excellent yan.
Excellent. Unique daw siya.
Ay, unang-una, ang sermon. Bakit ka ba? Go na
Good evening, teachers, students, beloved speakers, ladies and gentlemen. We have reached the most awaited night, showcasing our glamorous attire, wearing our biggest and most beautiful smiles, and most importantly, the attitude and confidence we have built.
Yes, agreed, partner. And as this evening tribes, we will witness a spectacular and awesome people that will inspire us to move forward and make the most out of our senior high school night memorable.
But tonight is not just a celebration, it is a spellbinding chapter of our lives, a night of wonder, magic, and memories. This is Kirk M. Tolentino,
And this is Heidi Sinuan Marquez.
and welcome to Senior High School Graduation Ball with a team Garden of Dreams entering Enchanted Graduation Ball.
That never fails to captivate the arts with their soulful music and powerful performance.
Our vocalists Jasmine, Nicole Guzano, and Kyla Montejar.
Julian Salazar and Bill James Asar.
And as our drummers, MJ De Leon and bassist G and Mark Salazar. Ah!
Nasa atin ang crown.
The next day.
Go! Go! Pasok! 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 Winner! Winner!
where dreams take flight and stardust lights up the night. Where the stars begins. Huh? Where the In a world where dreams take flight and stardust lights up the night. Where the stars begins to align and the garden blooms in full wonder. Let us welcome the bride of this enchanted event, Grade 12 Senior High School.
Ang postura.
Uy! Huwag dito! Teka lang!
Like 20 na, so like, nag-ready na kami for today's event. Feeling event natin. Hindi naman tayo SHS.
Ako, tinanong natin to. Pati tayo ang host.
Nagamit ko yung makeup kit ni
Wow.
Chloe. So,
Chloe.
Chloe Manuli. Ano kayang lipi ang gagamitin? Pangit ka. Nang lipi? Lipstick na lang. Kanina ba ito? Okay na yan. Sunscreen lang. Okay na yan. Hindi naman makikita ang pimples sa malayo. Sa lakas ng ilaw. Sa atin nakatutok. Sala.
Isang wrinkles.
Itsura ko with good lighting. Okay na? Pinapalitada na si Ma'am Hazel. Ganda-ganda. Ma'am, alam niyo bang ito yung sinuot din namin ng grade 12 ball namin?
Ay, hindi sa akin sa computer hall. Nung 16 niya, ano, nung parang mga highlighter na yung glowiness. Okay na yan, Kurt. Pwede ako.
Ilabas ang clip tape.
That's a Filipino. Anaya.
Ganda talaga.
Cause I'm better off without you. I don't need you around, don't need no one to hold me down. I say don't call me now, cause I'm better off without you. I don't need you around, don't need no one to hold me down.
Cause I'm better off without you. I don't need you around, don't need no one to hold me down. I say don't call me now, cause I'm better off without you. I don't need you around, don't need no one to hold me down.
And nothing changed except for me. Now that you're back, no sympathy. Yeah, I won't go back to before. I won't go back to before. No, don't call me now, cause I'm better off without you. I don't need you around, don't need no one to hold me down. I say don't call me now, cause I'm better off without you. I don't need you around, don't need no one to hold me down.
Don't call me now, cause I'm better off.
Nagapak ng bakla! Hoy, hindi siya! Gaga! Nakakahiya ka! Yung akala mo first floor na?
Wala akong ano,
Adali! Ay, diyan pala gamitin natin. Mag-run ka ha! Don't you know?
Ay, last box! Ning, anong oras na? 11! 11 kinemerals! 11 p.m. kinemerals! Kung saan ako dinadala na balik nung kasama ko! Oh, may balon! Protina!
ano, joke yan.
Ay,
Sasara na po.
itong kasama ko kung sino ng mga lalaking nakausap. Nakakagulat na eh.
Anong yun, te?
Isang bilog!